What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. So let's get started. And it's 512 gigabytes worth of storage. Okay, so we got that off. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at it! Oh my gosh, okay. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm terrified to pick it up. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely beautiful. So there it is. Now let's take this off. Absolutely beautiful. It is so pretty. It's a full screen, which I'm not used to, so I'm very, very excited for that. This is the Pacific Blue color. It's got the 3 cameras. It's got all that good stuff to turn the ringer on and off and everything. And that is the power button. So let's see what it comes with. So it comes with the charger, of course. So this is the charger. That's just, I'm not sure what that is. And then I think there's stuff under here. There should be. I don't know how to open it. I don't know how to open this. No, maybe I'm just wrong.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I think that is all that it comes with, though, which is fine. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't even right now. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh! I'm shaking. Okay, so I need to figure out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and comment down below. Bye.